Hi everyone, this video will go over your 7-3 activity project 3 feedback. So I do want to address this right at the beginning. This is an ungraded assignment. You do not receive any points from submitting this assignment. However, I'm going to give you some reasons why submitting this assignment will end up helping you be more successful in the long run. So I know, if it's ungraded, why should I bother to submit the assignment? Well, I want to address all the reasons why it's important to do this assignment first before we can get into the assignment. So the feedback that I give you on this assignment will let you know if you will earn exemplary and full points for the section, or if you'll need to make some changes in order to get full points. So submitting this now means you have a stronger chance of getting full points on this section in your final draft if you use the feedback that you receive. Now, if you struggled with that social science question you created in Project 2 back in week 4, and then we revisited that question in the 6-1 assignment, this is your chance to check in with your question and make sure that it'll work for Project 3 so that you won't lose any points next week. It gives me one more opportunity to help you with that question. And of course, completing this assignment means that you'll have one less section to write next week for Project 3. Who doesn't want a little bit less to do in the last week of a class, right? So now on to the assignment itself. The prompt you are given states you'll be drafting Section 3 of Project 3. Section 3 asks you to explain how finding the answer to your question might impact others around you. So just to recap, this is the question you first asked in your Project 2 assignment, and then you revisited it in your 6-1 assignment. Now, you may have needed to revise that question, so make sure that you're taking a good look at that feedback you received on those 2 assignments. So basically, you're going to be thinking about who would be most interested in your answer to that question? Who would benefit from that answer? Now, to earn exemplary, think both inside and outside of the social sciences. Who in the field of social sciences would be interested in this or would benefit from this, and why? So for example, a psychologist. Okay, why would psychologists be most interested in this? And this should only be 3 to 4 sentences. It's no big deal if you go over that, but it's not like you have to write a lot. It is 3 to 4 sentences, so it's not a very long assignment. And like I said, this is one less thing you'll have to do next week. So you write 3 to 4 sentences now, you get them checked out, and you'll know if you're going to earn exemplary in this section next week or what you can do to fix it to earn exemplary. And it's a little bit less to do next week too. So now I just want to be clear on this part. You are not submitting the asking questions chart from 7-2 for this assignment. This assignment is asking for a paragraph, 3 to 4 sentences. Do not submit the asking questions chart for this assignment. Okay? So now that we've got that cleared up, remember that if you need to revise your question and you want to check in with me about that question before you submit this, please email me your new question. We can work on it together. I can't create a question for you, but I can let you know if your question is a good one. Let you know if you're on the right track. Maybe even give you some suggestions for revisions. Just email me the thoughts you have for questions and we can talk. So this assignment is due by Sunday of week 7. And while you can still submit it in week 8, please know that you may not get feedback as quickly as you'd like so that you can make adjustments to get it into your Project 3 assignment. So for example, if you wait and submit this Sunday of week 8, there's a really good chance that I won't have feedback to you before the end of the course. So the earlier you can get this done, the better. I will give you feedback. You'll be able to know what you're doing and have it all set up and ready to go directly into your Project 3 assignment next week. Now, if you have any questions, don't forget to email me or post your questions in the general questions discussion board. Thanks so much for watching.